You're watching Let's Chat.
We're learning this morning about a really special local program right here in Chattanooga that is amazing for high school students to get an advantage of the STEM field and learn really all about that. BASF Chattanooga and Chat State. We have Brittany Davis here as well as Dr. Tremaine Powell. Thank you guys for making the time to be here this morning.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
So tell me a little bit about what inspired BASF to launch the Tech Academy and really what goals the company hopes to achieve through that.
Awesome. So this is our 6th year of hosting the Tech Academy program here in Chattanooga. The reason we originally launched this program back in 2019 was to inspire workforce development and really look out for the future of our local careers and local employers here in Chattanooga.
Because I think so many students, they might think of a conventional, maybe I want to be a vet, maybe I want to do this, like growing up, but they might not see that there are so many opportunities right here in STEM fields, tech fields, all those things that they just might not even be thinking off the top of their head. How specifically does Chattanooga State support the Tech Academy, and really what makes this collaboration with BASF so unique?
Thank you. We have a ton of programs that help support our local industry, from chemical operator, chemical engineering technology, non-destructive testing, quality control, design drafting, a lot of things that you wouldn't traditionally be exposed to, yet are great opportunities for a career field here in Chattanooga.
Absolutely, and it is such a big thing, especially with the job market too. These are the jobs people are wanting, and they can get fresh out the gate when they take these courses, which is truly incredible. Tell me kind of what sort of hands-on experiences you guys are offering for students to get during the program, for them to learn and maybe see if they're interested in that sort of field.
Definitely. So just to reiterate, this program is completely free to our target audience is rising high school juniors and seniors, though we do have sometimes some openings for freshmen or sophomore, but we are targeting rising high school juniors or seniors. And during this week-long program that is held June 9th through 13th this year, so June 9th through 13th, we are going to expose these students to activities like welding, 3D printing, non-destructive testing, as Dr. Powell said. We'll do some work with combustion engines, etc. So we're really designing the program to where the students get to do a hands-on in the morning, and then it's followed by a local industry tour in the afternoon. So we show them not only what types of careers there are, but we also tour them around local industries and local employers to show them what jobs are here in Chattanooga as well.
How cool is that? So they're really able to apply the skills that they have just learned and be able to see, okay, I could get a job out here and I could, be able to really make this happen. What kind of feedback have you guys gotten from this program? Because you're saying you're going on 6 years, is that correct? So really throughout the years, what have you heard from students, parents, just, kind of the impact that you guys are making?
Well, first of all, the parents, they love it. Just being able to see some of the hidden gems in manufacturing and the community area. The students that join the Tech Academy also love it. We've had many times siblings will come a year or two later to come to the Tech Academy. We also have students who are actually graduates of the Tech Academy, then end up going to Chat State pursuing one of the careers.
How cool is that? So really being able to get that hands-on experience and then being able to be, I know what I want to do with my future, and not just blindly choosing a major or something, then being like, oh, I don't want to do that and wasting it. You're actually getting these skills before you even make the decision. And juniors and seniors, I think that is such a valuable experience for them to get right out of the gate before they even put their name in a hat of what college they want to go to. So tell me, what sort of opportunities are you guys excited for them to have? Deadline that we need to get to as well, and just how they can register and get all of those opportunities.
Wonderful. So we have reached almost 100 students in our 5 years so far, and we are really excited to continue on the program for the 6th year. As you mentioned, the deadline for applications is currently on Friday, April 11th. It is possible that could be extended depending on what we the feedback we receive from this episode. But our application can be found on our social media pages for BASF. So we have BASF Instagram, BASF LinkedIn, and then it's also linked on the Chattanooga State homepage. So that's how someone would find the application. Again, the closing date is currently scheduled for April 11th, and we're just really excited for another successful year of the program.
Well, thank you guys so much for making the time to be here. I truly think this is such valuable resources for people directly in our community, students, parents alike. I mean, it's truly incredible. Brittany, Dr. Trey, thank you for making the time to be here. And again, if you are interested in this, go and visit Chattanooga State online, as well as those those social media platforms that we just listed offer you.